Hey, are you a beginner trying to start an online business and you don't know in what direction to go? Well, let me tell you that if you are new to the market, affiliate marketing is hands down the best place to start. And let me tell you a few reasons why. First of all, you don't have to create services, you don't have to create a product, and you don't even have to start a company from scratch. All you do is basically sell other people's products. Well, let me tell you, I've got 5 tips I want to share with you so that you can get started with affiliate marketing as soon as this video is over. So if you want to learn how, then keep on watching. Welcome back. My name is Sylvia, for those of you that don't know me, and I'm an online marketing strategist helping beginners improve their business through affiliate and email marketing. For simple tips and strategies, subscribe to my channel so that you can get more informational videos like these. And by the end of this video, you're going to have 5 easy steps that you can use to guide you through affiliate marketing so that you can get started as soon as this video is over. So if you're ready to dive right in, give me a like and let's get started. Well, step number 1 is basically decide what route you want to take in affiliate marketing. There are 2 routes. There is the business route and there is the side hustle route. Route number 1 is the side hustle way, meaning that you currently have a business or you have a job of some sort and you just want to bring in some extra income, which is how I got started in the beginning. And the second route is as a business, meaning that all of your income comes from affiliate marketing. Now, both routes require some tools to get started. Now, this is a controversial topic because some people or some marketers will tell you that you don't need anything to get started. But from my experience, I did listen to them and I did not start my list right away, which was a big mistake on my behalf. But don't make that mistake. Always start your business in the right direction. Start collecting emails from the beginning by using the right tools to capture your subscribers' emails. Step number 2 is master the law of compensation. Nowadays there's a law for pretty much everything. And there's 3 rules that you need to master in order to dominate whatever niche that you are in. So rule number 1 is the need for what you do. Rule number 2, the ability to deliver it. And rule number 3 is how hard can it be to replace you? I have a free guide that guides you through the law of compensation. So if you want to learn more, you can download it in the resources below. Step number 3 is research the industry. Now, this is an important step. You need to do a research for what's in high demand, what's in great need out there in that industry. I'll give you a few examples on what's in high demand. Example is adult education like e-courses, e-commerce. Think of it this way. Remember Toys R Us, Kmart, all of those businesses are being replaced by the internet. Everybody wants to go buy on the internet. So those are businesses that are in high demand and in great need. Now drop me a comment below. Let me know what type of marketing you are doing now or are you wanting to get into. Now step number 4 is align yourself with a booming company that is doing great things in that industry that you did some research on. But don't just align yourself with any company. You've got to look out for your reputation. You've got to look out for your brand. You don't want to burn yourself out before even getting started. So if you want to learn how to align yourself with a really good company, there's a PDF down below that'll guide you through steps on how to master the 3 laws of compensation and how to align yourself with the right company. So that link is down below if you want to download it. Step number 5 is drive traffic. So now that you've done some research on what's in high demand and you've aligned yourself with a booming company that can deliver that demand, it's time to drive traffic to that company's product and services and deliver that need. If you don't know what traffic is, it's basically people that come check you out. They come check out your websites, your landing pages, opt-in pages. But remember, whether you want to start affiliate marketing as a side hustle or as a business, remember that there's always tools that are going to be needed. So just imagine a restaurant that has all these announcements that they're going to open up and they're missing their chef, they're missing their menus, but then yet they're ready to open up. More likely that business is not going to be successful. Well, it's the same thing with your online marketing. You have to have some tools in order to get started. Now, if you don't know how to connect these tools or you don't know what tools I'm talking about, I did put together a 3-day workshop that you can watch at your own pace and learn how to connect these tools and what is needed to get started. So that link is down below. It's absolutely free. It's a video course that I put together for you. Now you have this simple video that you can use as a guide to get started right away. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting the like button, share it, and comment below the word helpful if this video helped you. Until next time, have an awesome day.